are in suit 210 at the Best Western in Salt Lake City, Utah. This is the Best and Western Plus near the airport, about 7 minutes to 10 minutes right away from the Salt Lake City airport. And once again, I'm on the medical application, and this one is via my Discovery, the Amazing 5x12 matrix, which is stochastically expanded to the 15x12 and the 27x12 for real estate purposes. And so here we have now in the application, we have shown here an ophthalmoscope. This ophthalmoscope is relatively older than some I've already shown, which is intangible at the moment. Ophthalmoscope. This is the otoscope application, this part here to put in the ear. Put this looking down through the ear to the eustachian tube and through the cochlea, and we see any abnormality, whether a build-up of wax or any injury down there. The otoscope is used to see better. And this part, when we take it off and put it on, it becomes the eye examination portion here now. We call this now the ophthalmoscope, and this with the otoscope represent otology and ophthalmology. So here we have the ophthalmology part. We turn it on, it's illuminate here. I don't know if my battery is, two batteries go inside here. There's no battery in it, so you can't see the illumination to look at the eye. And diagnose many eye abnormality, eye disease, and so on. So this is the ophthalmoscope with the otoscope part for the ear. So we'll put it here with all the drug synthesis. And if we put these also here, so for every application or prescription of these drugs and diagnosis and application of the drugs, then the doctor will use his stethoscope to do the examination and sphygmomanometer to take the blood pressure and the pulse, and this to do the heart, the beat of the heart, and to diagnose myocardial infarction, heart attack, cardiomegaly, bradycardia, tachycardia, and all the various medical abnormalities, arrhythmias, and so on, all can be detected by the stethoscope. So that's just the introduction to the discovery of the AMZ 5x12 matrix, which what it has done is to actually reinvent medicine in a sort of way from the usual study via like dermatology, ophthalmology, cardiology, hematology, obstetrics and gynecology, and you could name the rest of medical fields, pediatrics, ear, nose and throat, otolaryngology, gastroenterology, and so on. So the whole multi-field of the medical study is reinvented by this amazing 5x12 matrix and its application. So here in Utah, at the country, or rather the Best Western Plus Ins and Suit, most truly Professor Dolphy Gilpin, with the application, medical application of the AMZ 5-construct matrix via, or with regard to medicine. And as we have said in our little introductory lecture, it has application in STEAM, where the M on the STEAM represent medicine and mathematics, but right now we are emphasizing the medical application. STEAM, STEM, and STREAM. The M represent medicine as one of the field application. So this is like general medicine here, and we could further move on to specific medical studies, like somebody specializing in hematology, and we call him a hematologist, one specializing in the eye, the ophthalmologist, one specializing in the in gastroenterology, we call him the gastroenterologist. Some specializing in the skin, the dermatologist. But these are when we further into to specialize, medical specialists, which is one step beyond the general practitioner, general medicine. So we need a specialist now to further specialize in these areas of medicine. And the amazing 5x12 matrix can take you there as well.